Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Stellar XLM. We're going to talk about what's happening with the price and where we could be going in the immediate short term. If we're looking at the price of XLM right now, it is currently trading at 10.6 cents, up 1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Also up about 1.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at the market cap is currently approaching that $2.9 billion, almost that $3 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $90 million. If we go down memory lane and see where the all-time high for XLM was, it was back on 2018 bull market peak, which was at 87.5 cents. And last bull cycle's peak, which was in the 2021 around May, we did see XLM go up to that 72.7 cents mark, but never managed to break its all-time high, which was set back on 2018. So we're going to talk about what's happening and where we could see XLM going, but keeping something in mind: the market cap in the previous bull cycle was higher than the market cap that we saw back on the original time when it was the first bull cycle for XLM. So you guys can see the all-time high back then was around that $15 billion, and last bull cycle we saw an all-time high of almost $17 billion. So that is something I want you guys to keep in mind. But now let's get right into the analysis and see what's happening with the price and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at XLM right now, you guys can see this is the previous bull cycle. We did see the price go up to almost 80 cents, and since then we have seen a massive retracement, which is no secret at this point. But before we get a little deeper into it, as always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys can see XLM is still down about 87.28% from its all-time highs. But now let's focus a little bit on the closer time frame and see what has been happening with the price and where we potentially could be going in the immediate short term. So you guys can see, we did see the price pretty much hold very strong within, this range, and it was supported by this 10.23 cents mark throughout, 2022. But when November came, right after that FTX collapse happened, causing the entire markets to react, we did see the price fall below this level of support, and we did see XLM hit low of about 7 cents. So let's say you picked some XLM up around that range, you are already up about 50% since then. And the thing that I'm really liking right now for Stellar is that it's above this level of resistance, and that shows that we are headed in the right direction. Not only that, you guys can see we are this time around being supported by this level of resistance, which obviously turned into support, and you guys can see we got supported by here 2 different times. Saw XLM hit a new yearly high of 11.47 cents, which was April 1st. So now comes the question: what is happening with XLM, and are we going more towards the upside? What are the next price targets we could be looking at? Remember, if you guys are a follower on my other channel, not my other channel, on my other videos, you guys have been following me, you guys know that we've been talking about Bitcoin on a daily basis along with Bitcoin dominance. So right now we're seeing Bitcoin dominance starting to decline, but we're also seeing Bitcoin declining right now, which is obviously causing altcoins in the immediate short term to have a little bit of a retracement. But if Bitcoin finds a place where it stabilizes, I would not be mad if Bitcoin even goes to this $28,756 level and gets supported by here and starts trading sideways. We did build up a lot of support around here for almost a month in the 61.8 fib level, so I do expect this to hold. And even if we do trade sideways for a couple of weeks, I'm totally fine with that, because that is going to cause altcoins to really rally towards the upside, and that could help Stellar really kickstart this, and we could see Stellar hit this 13.3 cents mark. And basically, if we clear that, guys, the next main target we could be looking at is the 16.7 cents mark, and that is where the excitement level really begins. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is still a move of about 56%. So that's something I want you guys to keep in mind right now if you guys are part of the Stellar community. But with that said, we need to see Bitcoin hold around this range. Obviously, if Bitcoin were to retest the 78.6 fib level, obviously that is going to impact the entire markets, and especially if Bitcoin dominance were to increase. So those are some factors we need to keep in mind. And if Bitcoin were to even see a retracement, I'm totally fine with that, guys, because remember, Bitcoin has shown the power of what it was made to do, and it has made a statement for itself. So a little bit of a cool off is very much needed for the king of the markets to really continue this upwards trend. So that would not surprise me, but this could mean the altcoin season is very near. As I've mentioned, Ethereum literally exploded yesterday, went above $2,000. So those are some factors we need to keep in mind, and a lot of excitement is definitely building up within the markets right now. But like I said, Stellar Lumens, first and foremost, we're going to take it one step at a time. I would not be surprised if Stellar Lumens were to, pull a very impressive move and retest, all-time highs, even hit $1 this time around. If Bitcoin were to see, $1.20. Oh, no, I'm sorry, not $1.20. I can't even speak because I'm literally so low on sleep right now because the markets are going insane. Still grinding out these videos for you guys. A lot of requests coming in for Stellar Lumen, so I wanted to come out and make this video for you guys, this updates. But what I'm trying to say is, if we consider that Bitcoin were to hit $120,000 this bull cycle's peak, which if historically speaking that would be in 2025, if that was the case and Stellar Lumen was to hold these current ranking, then we could see possibly it breaking above $1 this cycle. I would not be surprised because last bull cycle, guys, we did see a newer all-time high for the overall market valuation. Remember, the reason as to why the price might have not reached the all-time high is because the circulation supply, the amount of coins that are available now were more compared to the coins that were available back in the day on obviously 2018. So those are some factors we need to keep in mind. And remember, it's a big competitor. Well, I wouldn't say a big competitor, but XLM and XRP, you guys know the similarities between the two. And right now, XRP, I'm a huge fan of XRP. I'm not saying XRP community is the same as XLM. XRP community is massive, one of the biggest armies in the crypto space. But Stellar Lumens could have that edge against XRP in terms of more FOMO coming in right now because the lawsuit for XRP is still going on. But nonetheless, XLM is looking quite well, and I do believe it is going to make a move this bull cycle. It's going to be one step at a time, obviously, but like I said, these are some next price targets I'd be looking at. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going, and let me know if you guys want to see more updates on XLM regularly. I love you all. See you tomorrow with Crypto ZX, and peace out.